In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Amazon Fresh payment method. First, you need to sign into your Amazon account. This is a simple step, but it's crucial for accessing your settings. As you enter your credentials, you will see a familiar interface with various options. Make sure you enter your email address and password accurately. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to complete that step as well. Once logged in, you will be ready to manage your payment methods effectively. This initial step is important because it allows you to access all features related to your account and ensures that your information remains secure. Next, navigate to Account and Lists. You can find this option in the upper right corner of your screen. Hover your cursor over it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select your account. This action will take you to a new page where you can manage different aspects of your Amazon account, including payment methods. It is helpful to know where these options are located as it streamlines the process of updating your payment information. Once you are on the Your Account page, look for the Your Payments section. Click on this link to access all your saved payment methods. This section displays any cards you have previously added. You will see a list that includes credit and debit cards, and this is where you can make necessary changes. Being familiar with this area of your account allows for easy management of your financial information and ensures that your payment methods are always current. Now, select the card you want to use for future Amazon Fresh purchases. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for future transactions. As you choose a card, make sure it is valid and has sufficient funds available. You will see the card details displayed clearly, giving you a chance to double-check your selection. Taking the time to ensure you have the correct card selected can prevent any issues during checkout later on. After selecting your card, click Edit. You will see an option that allows you to make changes to the card details or settings. From here, choose Set as the default payment method. This action will ensure that the selected card is used for all future Amazon Fresh orders. It's a small but significant step that helps streamline your shopping experience. Once you confirm this setting, you will see a notification that your changes have been saved. If you want to add, edit, or remove payment methods, go back to the Your Account section. Click on Your Payments again to open the Payment Methods area. This is where you can manage multiple cards easily. When you select Add a Payment Method, you'll be prompted to enter the details of a new card. Ensure that you input the correct information, as this will be necessary for future transactions. Adding new payment methods can be beneficial if you want to keep your options flexible for various purchases. To update an existing card, simply select it and click Edit. Here you can modify the card number, expiration date, and billing address. Keeping your payment methods up to date is essential for preventing any payment failures during checkout. After making your changes, be sure to save them. If you need to remove a card, select Remove from Wallet. This option is available for any card you no longer wish to use. Removing outdated or unused cards helps keep your account organized and secure. It's always a good practice to regularly review your payment methods. Note that changing a card in your payments does not automatically update orders that are already being processed. To change the payment method for an order, you must go to the order page itself. This step is important because it ensures that your payment method aligns with your current preferences. Be aware that once Amazon starts preparing your groceries, the option to change may disappear. Following these steps will ensure that your Amazon Fresh payment method is always up to date and ready for your next order. Thank you for watching.